Here's a remedy I use all the time for sore throat that is better than any medication. You will love the results. Warm up the juice from 3 lemons in the microwave until it foams. Then add a tablespoon of honey and stir until it gets dissolved. Drink just a sip every time you feel like coughing or feel pain. The purpose of this drink is to help you stop coughing or scratching your throat. The lemon will burn the bacteria in your throat and honey will heal it. Do not reheat it, as it will lose its effectiveness, as it's good even in room temperature. This is most effective in the beginning of the discomfort. Of course, if your cough insists and it's getting worse, you should go to a doctor. Stay healthy and subscribe to gain more wisdom.